Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to show you a happy mail that I received from my friend Nichole. She has her channel is SunShine Honeybees. And I'm going to put the link of her channel in the description box so you can go and visit her. So I'm going to open the box and here is the package. I see one embellishment. And this one is a very nice embellishment using a clothespin. Thank you. Now let's see. Oh, how cute. It's a loaded envelope. She told me that she followed my tutorial to make this happy mail. And I can see. Yay. I feel very happy that you make something that I teach. And look, she sent me this beautiful doll. So cute. Thank you very much, Nichole. And right here, this is so many things. This is a loaded envelope and I made a tutorial for this one. How cute. Look at this word that says joy. Then right here, it has one paper clip and this is a beautiful rosette. Then right here, look, another clothespin with a rosette. So delicate with a tool. Look at this idea. Thank you. Oh wow, I love this trim and the color. It's a beautiful purple. So cute. Then she sent me some cards. Look at these beautiful cards and she used her dies. And again, these beautiful flowers. And look, it's for any occasion card. Very beautiful. Wow, thank you very much, Nichole. Look at this paper, it's so beautiful. And this bow tie too. And this one opens like this. And it has right here the sentiment. Wow, thank you. Thank you very much. Look at this. Another card that says Mother's Day. Mother's Day is coming up. Thank you very much. Oh, wow. And it has a nice sentiment for Mother's Day. Thank you very much, Nichole. I love it. I love that she matches all the colors and everything. It looks so delicate. Thank you. Then right here, she decorated with a doll. And inside, there is these two envelopes. And this one has these paper doilies. I love these colors. They are like watercolor. Cute. And look at this big heart. Everything purple. I love it. And look, there are more like tags. Oh, these are tags that I can use. Look at this beautiful cat. And she put rhinestones. So beautiful. The same paper. Very nice. Thank you very much. These are beautiful cats. Thank you so much. I love it. And then there is a rosette right here. Oh, and there is one more thing here. These are some cutouts for flowers. Look, these small flowers and the medium ones with the same paper, so I can add some embellishments. And right here, she just put embellishments on both sides. So cute. Beautiful. So delicate. Everything looks beautiful. Thank you very much. And right here, she sent me, these are charms, I think. Oh, wow, look at these. These are beautiful charms. And she just put some beads. And at the bottom, there is a flower. So very cute, Nichole. Thank you. This is a great idea. Yay, thank you very much. And right here, there is this embellishment. Look at this beautiful rosette. Everything is so beautiful. I love how you decorated this loaded envelope, and I'm so happy to see something that you made using the tutorial. And please, everybody, the link is down in the description box. Go visit her channel. Thank you very much, Nichole, and thank you everybody for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye bye.